Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So, if you are considering Italy for your higher studies but you don't know that how we can find English start programs in Italy. So, in this video, I will complete guide you that how we can find English start programs in Italy. Let's go on the screen and explore that how we can find easily English start programs in Italy. So, let's type universitaly.it on Google and find the first website link university. So let's type the keywords which you are interested. Let's say if you are interested for software engineering, simply type software engineering and then click on find button. Once you have click on find, all the programs will be show up on the screen. As you can see, multiple programs relevant to software engineering, but here we have to apply some filters. If you are interested for bachelor, you have to select first level, and if you are interested for master program, you must have to select second level, which is 2 years program. After selecting the type of degree course, then you have to select the course language. You are international, so then you have to select English start programs. So simply we will select English, and you can see software engineering program, which is 2 year long, and it is English start program. And you can scroll down and you can see multiple other programs relevant to software engineering, like computer engineering, cybersecurity and artificial, which is offered by University di Cagliari, and the 2 years program which is taught in English. So you can see multiple programs by scrolling. So let's change the degree program. Let's say if you are interested for electrical engineering, simply type electrical engineering and then click on search. Here you can see second level and English start programs relevant to electrical engineering. This program is offered by Padua University, which is 2 years long, and it is an English start program. And you can see many other programs like electrical engineering offered by Pavia University and electrical engineering offered by Politecnico di Milano. All these programs are 2 years long and English start because we have already set the filter that we are applying for or searching for a master program which is 2 years, and we have selected the course language which is English. So these all programs are available. So now explore the programs relevant to zoology department, and simply uh, you can see here wildlife management, conservation and control, which is 2 years program offered in English language by uh, University of Sassari, and you can see. And there are many programs like marine biology and ecology program, and medical, veterinary and forensic biotechnological sciences, forest sciences. These are all programs available relevant to zoology department. So now let's explore the programs relevant to business management. Let's type business management, and here you can see multiple programs relevant to business management, and you can see small business management in international markets, which is 2 years program in English offered by Ferrara University. And you can scroll down and see another program which is global business management, and you can see the university which is offering, and you can see here 2 years program in English. Another program is business administration, which is offered by University Tor Vergata, which is 2 years long and English start programs. So if you want more information, you simply click on the visit course, then your screen will be moved on another website. As you can see the university website, here you can see more detailed information about a program. Here we can see that the program type, degree program and language of instruction, duration, etc. Here you can see program degree program, which is economic and business sciences and English language program, and the duration of this program is 2 years, and the type of access means here's no an entrance exam will be conducted for your admission. Here's an option is also available, which is apply now, where you can apply easily. And here you can see multiple programs. Let's visit course another let's management for sustainable firms, which is offered by Padua University. Simply we click on visit course, and the all details will be show up on the screen in a new tab. So here you can see management for sustainable firms, which is economics and business sciences type program, and here you can see other details of this program. Here you can see the language of instruction and the degree program type, duration, site, grants and scholarships, registration, instructions, access, etc. You can see on the screen, which is the main and detailed information about this program, and you can simply get more information by scrolling, how you can apply. Here's a sign up option where you can apply for this program, and the all relevant and detailed information of this program is available. Like you can see duration, which is 2 years. It mentioned that it is a master level program, and you can see the site, which is Padua, and registration instructions mean here you can find the information about the admission process, admission criteria, each and everything. So this was the short video about how we can find easily English start programs in Italy. If this video was helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. So let's meet in a new video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.